Good day, ma'am. Good day, classmate. This is the presentation of Group 2 3G. Our members are Rakraken Michelangelo, Rico Jeffrey, Pinera Angelo, Doliente Sherwin, Del Remedios Angelica Joy, and Mercadal Rica. Then, the topic for today is Atmel, Atmega 328P.
Overview. Mega AVR is one of the family of microcontrollers created by Atmel starting in 1998. The Mega AVR family offers microchips widest selection of devices in terms of memories, pin counts, and peripherals. The Atmega 328P is a high-performance yet low-power consumption 8-bit AVR microcontroller. It has a modified Harvard architecture 8-bit RISC processor core. It can commonly be found as a processor on Arduino boards such as the Arduino Pio and Arduino Uno. In these sections, it will present the schematic diagram, pin configuration, parts, and their functions.
History background. Atmel Corporation was founded on 1984 and it was created by George Perlegos and is a worldwide leader in the design, manufacturing, and marketing of advanced semiconductors, including advanced logic, non-volatile memory, mixed signal, and RF integrated circuits. ATMEL was an acronym of Advanced Technology for Memory and Logic. Perlegos was CEO of ATMEL from 1984 to 2006 and had worked in the memory group of Intel in the 1970s and had co-founded SICK Technology manufacturer EEPROM Memory. Atmel was found in San Jose, California, US. Atmel has been acquired by Microchip Technology Incorporated. Atmega 328P microcontroller is high-performance lower controller from Microchip. Atmega 328 is an 8-bit microcontroller based on AVR RISC architecture. It is the most popular of all AVR controller as it is used in Arduino boards.
So, Atmega 328P microcontroller. So, ito yung itsura ng Atmega 328P. At ito yung schematic diagram niya. Then, microcontroller has Atmega 28 and 28P has 28 pin. So, ang number 7 niya at number 20 niya is yung positive niya. Then, at ang ground niya naman ay number 8 at number 22. Then, it has 14 digital I/O pins, of which 6 can be used as PWM output and 6 analog inputs. These I/O pins account for 20 of the pins. Port A consists of the pins from PA0 to PA7. This pin serves as an analog input to analog to digital converts. If analog digital convert is not used, port A acts as an 8-bit bidirectional inputs and outputs port. Port B consists of the pins from PB0 to PB7. This port is an 8-bit bidirectional port having an internal pull-up resistor. Port C naman consists from PC0 to PC7. This output buffer of port C has symmetrical drive characteristic with source capability as well high sync. Port D naman is yung PD0 to PD7. It is also an 8-bit input-output port. having an internal pull-up resistor.
CPU, the Central Processing Unit or CPU, is the brain of the microcontroller. Nagpaprocess ito at nag-execute ng mga instructions. Flash memory is a computer storage device that can store data for a short periods of time. May 32 kilobytes ang flash memory. Ito ay program memory kung saan naka-stored ang application code at hindi nawawala dito mga nakasave kahit naka-power down. EEPROM, memory whose values are kept when the board is turned off like a tiny hard drive. This library enables you to read and write those bytes. 1024 bytes ang meron dito. Nag-store ito ng mga important data, pati yung mga data na galing sa sensor. Ito ay data memory ng Atmega 328 at non-volatile din siya. SRAM, static RAM, is a type of random access memory RAM that provides faster data read and write speeds. 2 kilobytes, ginagawa nitong mabilis ang data retrieval at temporary storage. Ito naman ay volatile o nawawala yung mga nakasave kapag nag-power off. ADC module, analog to digital converter, is used to convert an analog signal to a digital form. Nagko-convert ito ng analog signal pati voltage into a digital form para mabasa at ma-process ng microcontroller. I/O ports at Atmega 328P has 3 ports, port B, port C, and port D. Input-output ports are addresses used to transfer data. May 3 I/O port ang Atmega 328, which is port B, C, and D, at dito nakakonect ang output or input device.
Family and Company, Mega ABR. Atmel Company, later Microchip Technology, acquired Atmel in 2016. One of the fastest growing semiconductor company in the United States, Atmel Corporation designed, develop, and manufacture programmable logic devices, application-specific integrated circuits, and memory and microcontroller devices. Bits, 8 bits. Architecture, Harvard architecture. Harvard kasi mabilis siya mag-process, tapos single instruction siya. Meron din siyang separated memory, which is yung data memory and program memory. Based sa parts ng Atmel 328P, may flash memory, double EEPROM, and SRAM siya. Instruction set. RISC. RISC kasi mabilis yung execution at pag-process ng data dahil kaya niya mag-execute ng 1 instruction per clock cycle.
Sa application naman ng Atmega 328P, madalas itong ginagamit sa Arduino Uno, robotics, electronic system at sa automotive application. Yung software naman na ginagamit is yung Atmel Studio. Ito ay isang integrated development platform for development and debugging ABR microcontroller applications. Pwede rin dito mag-write, build, and debug ng applications written in C language. Sa special unique features naman is high performance yet lower power consumption, sleep mode, power down mode, and brownout detection. Kaya high performance and low lang yung power consumption niya dahil ito sa architecture at instruction set na meron ang Atmega 328P, which is RISC and Harvard architecture. Nakakatulong din sa less power consumption yung features na sleep mode at power down mode, lalo na kung wala namang masyadong task is unti lang yung kinakain niyang power, which is good sa mga powered battery applications. Sa brownout detection naman, nagre-reset mode siya once na na-detect na bumaba yung supply ng voltage. Nakakatulong din ito para hindi masira yung microcontroller at maayos yung startup niya once na bumalik na yung power.